Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Christmas car lights is probably one of the most exciting ways to spread holiday cheer. Imagine cruising down the street, your car transformed into a dazzling display of festive lights, instantly bringing smiles to everyone you pass. But with so many options available, choosing the right Christmas lights for your car can be a challenge. That's why I'm here to guide you through the best choices. Number 5. Whaline Christmas Reflective Car Magnet Set. Get ready for the holidays with this festive magnet set. It includes a variety of colorful bulb and line magnets, perfect for adding a touch of cheer to your home. Inside, you'll find 36 bulb-shaped magnets and 13 line magnets, a total of 49 pieces. This set provides plenty of decorations for your holiday needs. These reflective magnets come in 6 bright colors: yellow, pink, purple, blue, red, and green. They'll bring a warm and joyful atmosphere to your space. Made from high-quality PET reflective film, this set offers high visibility at night. This feature enhances safety while adding a decorative touch. The set includes both large and small bulb magnets, along with line magnets. The different sizes allow you to customize your decorations to fit your needs. These magnets are suitable for most metal surfaces, such as cars, garage doors, and refrigerators. They are easy to apply and remove without leaving residue. What we like. These reflective magnets are designed for safety, making your car visible during the holidays. They come in bright colors to create a warm and joyful atmosphere. If you want to add some holiday cheer to your car while also increasing visibility, you should consider these. What people say. They do stick well, and they're colorful by day, reflective at night. They've been through some weather and speed and are hanging in there, and folks who see it seem to enjoy it. These magnets really stayed in place. I decorated my whole car with these during the holiday season. Number 4. Chinley Starlight Headliner Kit, Twinkle Star Lights. This kit features 550 fiber optic cables, each 0.03 inches in diameter and 13.1 feet long. It creates a stunning, realistic starry sky effect. The end glow fiber optic cable is safe, flexible, and perfect for various applications. The built-in RGB LED and twinkle function make the stars come alive. In sound mode, it follows the beat of the music, creating a romantic and unique atmosphere. It's perfect for enhancing any space. Control the fiber optic lights with your phone via Bluetooth. Download the app to easily change colors, modes, speed, and brightness. A remote is also included for convenient control. This Starlight kit is perfect for homes, rooms, cars, and entertainment venues. It adds a touch of wonder and magic to any space, transforming it into a captivating environment. Imagine the effect it will have. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year service. We are committed to providing a satisfactory solution for any issues. This ensures you can fully enjoy the product. What we like. This kit creates a stunning starry sky effect inside your car. It reacts to music with a twinkle function, making your car interior unique. If you are looking for a way to transform your car into a mobile entertainment space, you should consider this. What people say. Pictures don't do it justice, especially the twinkle feature. The end result is gorgeous. The twinkle effect blows people's minds. Transform your car into a starry night with the Chinley Starlight Headliner Kit. This kit includes 450 PCS of fiber optic star lights, with 3 different sizes: 0.03 inches, 0.04 inches, 0.06 inches, spanning 13.1 feet. It features stunning meteor twinkle effects and shooting stars, all controlled by Bluetooth RGB LED technology. Use the app or remote to adjust settings for a personalized, mesmerizing experience. Number 3. AKEPO 32W Fiber Optic Star Ceiling Light Kit. Tired of fumbling for a remote? This system connects via Bluetooth, putting control right at your fingertips. You can easily adjust settings and customize the experience. Bring your space to life with dynamic effects. The twinkle feature adds a realistic starry night, and the lights dance to the beat of your music. Create a truly unique atmosphere with the shooting star effect. You can customize the speed and intensity, adding a touch of magic to any room. This kit is perfect for creating a stunning star ceiling in larger spaces. Whether it's a media room or your car, it provides brilliant and gorgeous illumination. Choose from a wide array of colors and dynamic modes. You can adjust brightness, twinkle speed, and even the shooting star effects. The app control offers even more customization options. The kit includes everything you need: a remote, fiber optic cables, and power adapters for both car and home use. It's designed for easy setup and immediate enjoyment. The fiber optic cables are waterproof, ensuring safety in various applications. The light engine should be kept in a dry area. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. What we like. This fiber optic light kit offers high brightness and a shooting star effect. It can be controlled via Bluetooth app, giving you many options. If you like a dynamic and customizable lighting experience, you should consider this. What people say. The product itself is great. I got a local business to fit and they said it was very easy to work with and thought it was a great piece of kit. I got the Twinkle version and I would generally leave it on this setting all the time, but there are lots of other function on it too. Changes colors and twinkling option provides unlimited effects. Number 2. Christmas car LED strip lights, for PCS 48 LED. This LED strip light comes with a USB cable, making it perfect for cars, TVs, and home decoration. It operates on DC 5V and offers a variety of uses, from car ambience to TV bias lighting. With the wireless music remote control, you can easily change the color and adjust the brightness. It offers a wide range of colors to match your mood or the occasion. Enjoy the fun of color changes with the music. The lights react to your car stereo's music rhythm and even your voice, creating a dynamic atmosphere. The flexible design allows for easy installation in gaps, and it's water resistant. It fits cars with a DC 5V USB port and is suitable for various decoration purposes. It features double-sided adhesive straps and a simple design. You can directly insert it into the USB port without any modifications, making it easy to decorate your car or home. What we like. These LED strip lights sync with your music, creating a dynamic light show. They are easy to install with a USB connection. If you want a simple and fun way to upgrade your car's interior lighting, you should consider this. What people say. They were very easy to install, and there was plenty of wiring. The remote has tons of functions, but I keep it on the white setting. These are plugged into a power strip, and when the power strip is turned on it saves the color setting, which I love. Quality build and easy to install. The double stick tape is really strong. I like that it remembers your settings when the car is turned off. I can see any and everything on the floor. Everything works right now, so I'm satisfied. Number 1. SUPERNIGHT 16.4 feet 600 LEDs waterproof strip lights. Introducing the SUPERNIGHT LED strip lights. This 16.4-foot strip features 600 LEDs, making it twice as bright as the common 300 LED strips available. It's perfect for adding vibrant light to any space. This LED strip is IP65 waterproof, designed for indoor use. The protective polyester resin shields the LEDs from water jets, ensuring durability and safety. Need a specific length? You can easily cut the strip along the scissor marks. Plus, you can connect multiple strips together using additional tools, offering flexibility for any project. The back of the strip comes with double-sided adhesive tape for easy installation. Simply peel and stick it to your desired surface. It works with a 12V power supply and dimmer, which are not included. SUPERNIGHT is committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with the LED strip lights, please contact us immediately. Our professional team is ready to assist you with any problems. What we like. This LED strip offers high LED density for a brighter light output. It's waterproof, making it suitable for various applications. If you have a boat or want to add some lighting to your car, you should consider this. What people say. These lights worked very well to outfit my kayak with lights. They have a crystal clear silicone waterproofing coating, the color is a pleasant, clean white that looks really good, and unlike other LED strips, these ones don't seem to get hot or draw all that much power. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.